How's it going, everybody? What's up? Today I was going to give a little update to my game, The Lost Dozen. So, I have done some updating to it. The demo has been updated on the itch.io site, but also, well, for one, I put a cool little kind of staticky TV screen graphic or overlay to the title here. Now if you hit New Game, there's a character select. Pretty cool, huh? So, yeah, now you can choose between Meerkat and Donut J has finally made an appearance in the game. So yeah, you can choose between either one. So say I hit Meerkat, it'll pop up to the first level, like normal, and you can play as Meerkat. Or, if we restart here, we can hit over here, and Jay is now playable. He's a little buggy. I've been working on him, but he is playable. I probably can't. Yeah, no, I can't do the debug because I'm playing the actual built version of it. So the demo you guys would be playing. But yeah, he can use the sword. He can jump, do wall jumps. Here, hang on. I'm going to switch over to my version. Sorry about that. You can still play around with that stuff in the demo. It's just, it's easier for me to debug here. Go to the debug, scroll down, wall jump. Oh, not spear, sword. You can't use the spear yet. So yeah, see, he's got the sword animation, which the sword works. Get out of here, mouse. And we have the wall jump, which he looks a little crazy right now. I gotta work on those animations. I kind of just threw them together this morning, but yeah, no. Also, if you haven't noticed yet, because I hadn't mentioned it, I'm all scatterbrained. We now have a donut counter up at the top right. Let's see. Gotta go grab a donut. Oh yeah, my little star has some goofy googly eyes now. It doesn't do anything yet but heal you. I'll have a reason for getting them eventually. But yeah, see, you grab it. Now we have 4. It's a weird 4. I'm going to change that. It looks too much like a 9. I noticed that after I made it. Yeah, here. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, like I said, a little glitchy still. Alright, I gotta fix that. Anyway, there we go. We got 5 now. The first level's changed quite a bit. And yeah. So, and the Jelly Snapper King, his crown is now different. I just changed a few graphics here and there. Die! Now there is a bug right now where when you go to the second level, your donuts get reset for some reason. I'm not sure. It's a work in progress. It's the whole point of it being an early demo, huh? Yeah, let's see. If I go to variables, you still have the same amount. Like, I have 6 donut coins right now, and they're just not showing up. I don't know why that's happening, but I'll work it out. The HUD up there for your health has been reworked. Before it would just have like 3 donuts over there. Now I have it all stacked into one, kind of like a Mario 64 health meter. There's the actual sword. There we have it. So down here, I've been having issues trying to figure out what to do with this, because I wanted to make it some kind of puzzle, and the blocks being pushed wasn't really working because I wasn't necessarily using physics-based things for the character movement. So I figured, I'll make a switch up there, and it'll make a bridge down here. So that works, but these kind of, yeah, they're real touchy. So I'll have to fix that, but I mean, it's working-ish. What else? Oh yeah. So alongside of all this, I wanted to show you guys an easier way to download the game and get updates. Like, if you download it through the itch.io website, you have to unpack the game yourself and play it like that, and that's kind of difficult. And with the itch.io app, all you have to do is download the game and play it from the app, and it'll just load it up itself. You don't have to unpack anything, nothing. So I will show you that real quick. First things first, you'll want to go to itch.io or itch.io/app, and that'll bring up this site here. And if you have it Windows, or, well, my game I think can only be ran on Windows, so it probably should hopefully have Windows. But just start your download, and let's see, we'll save it, and then just install it either on your C drive or whatever your preferred drive is. I already have it, so there's not really much point in me installing it. And that'll get you this guy right here, and you open that up, and that'll probably bring up this page here, and all you have to do is go up to the search bar up top, type in The Lost Dozen. Oops. Like that, and it'll be this one, obviously. Right now it's demo 1.7.6. Click on it, it'll bring you to the page like it would if you're on the website, but on here it'll give you a little download bar. You can hit download here, and I think it'll download, and it'll go into your library. And see, from here, like, you don't have to unpack it or nothing. You can just hit the button and hit launch. And I have a couple of versions of it because I've downloaded several ones. But yeah, you just click it and it'll run the game. You don't have to unpack it, because otherwise you would get something like this, and you'd have to open it up, then you'd have to drag it out onto the desktop, which is a big pain in the butt, and then you'd have to open it and go down to player to play the game. So there's just, it seems like there's too many steps in it. And then if you're wanting to update the game, you would have to download it again and then copy all the files into here. So it's just a better deal to get the itch.io app, where it'll update on its own. When there's an update, I think this launch will just say update, and you go ahead and update, or you can even go over here to downloads, and it'll probably show down here an update file that you'd click. So that's a better way of doing it. Yeah, so that's an update on it. I've got several levels that aren't in the demo that have already been completed, so I'm making pretty good progress on it. There's a few things I want to add, like weather effects, and we got a bunch of characters that we're going to be adding, and dialogue, even not spoken dialogue, but probably like text boxes. But yeah, things are looking pretty good, and I'll have another update before too long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little update, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy the demo. See ya.